Medical Waste Integrated Autoclave with Shredder. Integrated Autoclave with Shredder is an ideal solution for hospitals and healthcare centers to treat infectious medical wastes. The sterilization process and shredding process are enclosed in one sealed vessel. The sterilization process and shredding process are enclosed in one sealed vessel. The all-in-one machine can completely shield the sterilized items during the sterilization process, effectively inactivate the waste steam and wastewater generated during the sterilization process, and fully meet the requirements of in-situ high-pressure steam sterilization of various waste products to eliminate pollution.